problem from CRISPR algorithm. See, you have to find minimum span tree. They will use some graph. Actually, from this you can find subgraph. So, which is the minimum time. But weightage graph they will use. Just easy, I will do one problem and tell you. First, they given find the minimum spanning tree for the weightage graph shown. Okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Correct. Weight given the weights given 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 8. Every weight I draw the check 2, 6. Oh, this weight is 3. Every weight I given check. Anything I left. So you have to find minimum span tree. Actually, tree means you know, but we have one theorem we have studied. Suppose n vertices means what? We have n minus 1 edges. Here, how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. How many vertices are there? Are you there or not?
9, sir.
9. So, if you are able to draw the minimum span tree with 8 edges, means you can stop. No need to go. Okay, your minimum span tree got. But you can, what is telling actually in Kruskal's algorithm, we can start with the smallest weight is telling actually. Here, smallest weight, which edge you can see. Which edge you got the small weight? Least weight. From smallest number you can start. I forget it. You can write first edges, you can vertices, you can write actually A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now you can find the minimum span tree in this. All the vertices are given. Actually, thing is what from this some subgraph I will find out. That's called minimum span. Now come on, which weight is less weight? Tell me now. Least weight you can start. Which edge got the least weight? Sorry, are you there or not?
EF.
Very good. Next, which is the smallest weight? Next weight. After 1 is next weight is what?
3.
Huh? 3
ED, sir.
ED. Why ED? What is HI weight? From start with least number I am telling. What is HI weight or IH weight? What is the weights are here? Are you open? Please open your mouth, sir. rightly almost semester completed. No girl opened this class mouth as nobody is answered. Why I don't know. Only in, telling the attendance only they are giving. CSE section, so many girls are there, I think so. Nobody given answer from the beginning class to till today. Today it is the last class, already syllabus completed, again with something we are doing. But no, only 2-3 boys only always talking. Have you taken any promise we don't want to talk in math class other than attendance? Girls are there or not? Tell me. Hello? Say yes at least. For that also no. At least all girls you can shout, yes sir, like this. Come on. Very bad, yeah. Hey, really, yeah. Shout, I'm giving a chance to shout. You can shout. Yes, sir. Now you can. Today, how you will, at least I will take. See, I will. Girls are there. Hurry. You don't want attendance also. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir, we'll answer.
Very happy, very happy. Rachika, what is? Rachika Rana. Very good. One girl only alive now. Other girls? Only one girl alive.
Yes, sir.
Very good, yeah. Very happy. I am the happiest person in this universe. Raina. 2 girls. And another girl. At least third girl. Only 2 girls in your class. And Rachika and Raina only will get at least today. Very bad, yeah, very bad. Okay, now come on. Okay, leave it. Now next weight is what? Next least weight. From start with the least weight. Next weight is what? HI or IH. Correct? Tree means what? It should not be circuit, should not be cycle. Cycle means what? Beginning point and end point should be same. Circuit means what? Circle closest means what? It not be good. Then HI I will take. Second weight. Next weight you can tell me. See, these are the weights of edges, sir. This 5, 4, 3, 3 is what is. Next 10. Next number you can tell. Come on. EH can I draw?
Yes, sir.
EH. Next 3 values. DB can I draw?
FC.
DB also. FC. Then DB. DB can I draw? All 3 small, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next number. But simultaneously can count how many edges you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, happy. Already we have a theorem. N vertices means n minus 1 edges means okay. Come on. Next is what? 4. Where is my 4? FH not allowed. Why? FH means what? Is complete circuit. Closes. But nowhere closed. Tree cannot be closed actually. Simple, unique path. So FH not allowed. Then FI not allowed. Correct, sir? If you draw FI, it will get circuit actually. So
BC.
FI is not allowed. No. FI. No. Next 4, where is it now? Where is 4? Only GH is there, sir. GH you can draw. Can I draw GH? Can you draw GH, sir?
Yes, sir.
GH allowed or not?
Yes, sir.
Only one boy only talking always. I will give for all of your marks, cycle test 2 marks for you only. For remaining I give by to 0. Now 4 4 story over. Then 5 you can see, where is 5? Can I draw BE?
Yes, sir. 5
B
B.
Sir,
alone.
from A to B.
Ah, very good. Tell me, come on, madam.
A to B.
A. Next weight, what weight you are taking? AB. Right, Emma? Very good. How many edges also you can count simultaneously? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you tell one edge is enough. Always path is not unique actually. Then can I draw BE? Because now I am talking with 5 only. 5 is still not completed. BE can I draw?
Yes, sir.
Yes, forward. So 9 vertices, 8 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You make it another diagram also. It's not unique, but least weight to remaining not required. So by theorems for my tree over minimum tree span of tree I got MSP, minimum span tree I got. Correct? You may get, suppose you can start like this another 5. I am taking BF. If you want, you can take BE instead of BE, you can take AB also taken 5 over. Enough. Clear, sir? This is a subgroup or not? Subgraph or not? Subgraph means what? In this, some part will be there. Okay, this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there. So this is called subgraph actually. Minimum span tree also subgraph. So now you can open your PPT. Now one by one rules I told you, no. Install algorithm how to draw. Now we can check. So, but remember in mind, how many vertices is there? N vertices means n minus 1. It just means you can stop. You don't go beyond that. Continuously don't draw. If you continuously draw means what you will get again, this graph you will get. We need minimum span tree, but cannot be closed also. Don't close like this. Nowhere close, you see. Don't close also. Because tree is a what? Unique path already. If and only if one theorem we proved actually. So all you can keep in mind. Now can you tell another diagram I will give? This is only in textbook, you see. My page number is graph theory is what actually 4th unit. Maybe I send you textbook, which unit I don't know. In this is the same program I done, but he's writing yes, 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 yes. But you have to draw. Remaining they don't want to tell. Once if you get 8 SS means what you can stop. But you can drawing is better you will get. All trees are not unique, that also I am telling you. How you will start. But thing is what? Start with least weight. You should not close the lines. Correct? Any problem? Now can tell I will give another tree at least you can do. This is clear or not? Any doubt? Say
Yes,
or
sir.
no. Very good. Rakshika, 2 times she said, oh, now only Rakshika is good girl. Now nobody is there. I will take wait. Now it got it or not? But open the textbook. In textbook they given table. If you draw this is enough actually, minimum span tree. From textbook some ways he is telling no. After that he is not discussing, not required. Once if I get 8, dismiss over. I will give another example. You people tell. Share about this. Copy it, sir. Shall about? In textbook, you don't get the picture actually, minimum span tree, just a table like this given. I am drawing actually. Share about?
Yes, sir.
This is 6, this weight. This weight is 8. This weight is 7. This weight is 3. This weight is 6. Sir, how many vertices are there? A, B, C, D, E. How many vertices are there?
5.
5, sir.
5 means what? If you get 4 vertices, you are happy. Now come on. Least weight where I am having, tell me. Okay, better we can write first. A, B, E, D, okay. A, first you can vertices you can fill first empty vertices, then you can draw from there. A, B, C, D. Now which is the least weight? Tell me. Which is the least weight?
A to E, sir.
A, E or E, A. Very good. Okay, one girl got angry and she is only talking. Hey, alive, live, much, very much alive, she is telling. Very good girl. Remaining all are still not alive. Okay. Then next way come on. 2 over next. But keep in mind, 4 edges comes means enough, we can stop. But should be connected actually. That's important. That should be connected without canonical way. Then next way.
Sir, C to D, sir.
Very
C
good.
to D.
Very good. Next. Next way.
Sir, A to C.
Very good. How many edges I want? Next way. Next way, if you want, you can draw AB or CB. Reaching or not? Am I correct? But don't draw AB. AB not allowed. AB also 6, but not allowed. But if you want to draw AB or CB, am I correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you draw AB also happy, then stop. Because 5 vertices, 4 in this. No, I don't like AB. If I go to CB, you can go by CB. That's why I told you, no, trees are not unique. My tree is different, your tree is different. Clear? Which you want to
Yes,
take?
sir.
AB or BC?
Sir, AB.
Very good. Yeah, now. Then start. This is the minimum span tree. Now we are, see, there I told Virtuous algorithm. This is what? Kruskal's algorithm. Maybe paper may be uploaded, I think so. Oh, I forget actually the pattern. I told I forget. Maybe uploads also there. You have to write and answers upload actually. In GCR. Yesterday I told you. Next class I will tell you. I forget it actually. Second is some 5 into 4. 3, 4, 50 marks, you know. I'll tell you next class. Clear? Any doubt? Clear?
No, sir.
Yes. Like this, they will give graph. This is what in this some subgraph. I'm not, my picture is not good actually. Now actually in PPT, one diagram example is there. There also you can do that. Yesterday PPT I don't know. From there also you can draw. Textbooks also glance you can see. Then only you understand. So many examples are there. vertex is C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now weights are given 4, 5, 10, 14, 1, 3, 12. This is 9. This is AB is 1 edge, DE is 1 edge. Then FG 2, 7. How many vertices are there? A, B, C, D, E, F. F, this number is what? G, sorry. How many vertices are there?
7.
7. Now, okay. Now, 7 means what? 6 edges we start. Now, I will call the answer. Only girls should answer. What is the number? Where is the number start? 269. 569. 569.
569, sir.
Yes. 569. Option. Okay. No problem. 570. 570.
Present, sir.
Don't tell my problem like this. Okay, boy means okay. 571. 571. But give at least, no problem. 72. 73.
Present, sir.
73. Rain already talked, okay. 74. 74. Left hand. It is also not required. But you don't answer. Okay. 75.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79. Not there. 80.
Present, sir.
81.
Present, sir.
Got 81. What is your name, madam?
Sir Shreyanshi.
Shreyanshi, batao, which edge you want to take?
Sir AD.
Very good. Good girl. Now first you can drop. Okay, ma. Thank you.
571 present, sir.
Very good. Which edge, ma? If 6 girls, 10 7 means what? Because 7 inches means 7. But this means what? 6 girls, if answer means and remaining girls are safe. But again, I will do another diagram. Today, 10 o'clock also, girls should talk today. Tell them, ma. You already told. Shayani. Okay, tell them, ma.
Sir Shreyanshi.
Shreyanshi, thank you. Which edge you want to take?
Sir AD.
Very good, Amma. Thanks, Amma. I'm very happy. Please, today girls are talking. Okay. Shreyanshi got it 50 marks in cycle test 2. Next, up to what is your number?
Sir 581.
82. Hey, give answer. I'll give that means no problem. If you don't tell answer also. No problem. I don't understand, at least you can tell that at least open. What is number? 81 present, 82, 83,
Present, sir.
84, 84, 85,
84 not there, sir.
okay,
Present, sir.
85,
85.
86. You remaining people can complete. Don't wait for me. 86 also, 87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
91. What is your Rakshika? Okay, talk. 92. 92 present. Who is that? Name. No chat box. Okay, 93. Siva. 93. 94.
Present, sir.
93. Present absent. 95.
Present, sir.
95. Good. What is Atre? What is your name, ma'am? Ma'am, kya?
Atirata.
Super.
Atirata.
Atirada means what? You should be lead everything. Good and Sanskrit name. Atirada means what? Now come on, tell me. Give me one name. If you are able to miss, you can say no problem. Otherwise, I will try it and tell you. Atirada, very good name.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Very good. You are a good girl. Daily you can face. That is the I need. What is there? Nobody remove your head. Very good. You are a good girl. But you see, nice name. Atirada means what? You have to do, lead everything. A Maharada Saradi. Radha Saradi means what? Arjuna, like you are Arjuna in Mahabharata. Not Arjuna, Sri Krishna. Next. What is your number, Atirada?
595.
Very good girl. You are good. Better you can say, I don't want to tell. I don't know. Very good girl. 5. Number a man.
595.
Very good. 96.
Sir, 96 is not there.
97 you are. Okay.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
600.
Present, sir.
601.
601 not there, sir.
602.
Present, sir.
603. 603 not there. 604.
Present, sir.
605.
Yes, sir.
606. 607.
Sir, he is having a network issue.
Okay. 608.
Present, sir.
608. Desika. Gangatrana. Come on. 1 minute give me a man.
Sir, I don't know.
Very good. You are also good girl. What is your number?
608, sir.
Speak out. Always can speak out. Already see class over, semester over. You people are nobody, no problem. Next number. What is your number? 69?
Sir, 607 present, sir.
8?
Sir,
608.
608, present, sir.
Okay, ma. Sorry. 609.
Present, sir.
10. 610. Samantha Arun Kumar. She's given C in chat box. Very bad. 612.
Sir, 611 present, sir.
Okay. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15. 615.
present, sir.
16. 616. 616. 17.
Sir, present, sir. 617 Vaibhav Sharma.
Vaibhav Sharma. 618.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
19. What is your name?
Pile.
Yes. 1 gauge, give me pile. They don't have 8 gauge.
Sir, FG, sir. FG.
What is there? Very good girl. Good amma. Your number?
619, sir.
What I am telling you, people are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing you? You don't want to talk in math class? Okay. 620. 620.
Present, sir.
621.
Present, sir.
622.
Present, sir.
623.
Present, sir.
624.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26. Hey, 24 also you only said Vaibhav. 24. 25 Vaibhav Josh. Okay. 26. Dikshit Paddu. 626. 627. 627. 628.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 629, sir.
6:30. हाँ स्नेहा घोष, speak out यार. 6:30. Speaker is not okay. At least chat box you can put me. I'm very happy. My speaker is not working. Put. Very good girl. My network issue. Good day, network issue. Very good. 6:30 Amma. 6:30 Sneha. 6:31.
Present, sir.
6:32. I think you are the last.
Present, sir.
Okay, yeah. Still any number is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at least
No, sir.
see whether it is right or wrong. You can speak out. Then only you can understand. But at least I am happy. You people are sitting in front of your computer. Now, okay. FG, next you can tell me, sir. Next to it is what? C, right?
Sir, CD.
Then 3 over, then 4. Then this I cannot do. See, AC not allowed because closing. AC, no. Then 4 not allowed. Then AB allowed. AB allowed. Variance also you can write. AB allowed. Then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. After 5, who will come? After 5, which number will come? 7. GE can I connect? How many edges I want? 6 edges, huh? How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 edges means 6. If I draw other thing means my job is over. Then 7. Then 7, 7. After 7, who is there? 10. Then BE. Yeah, no. This is my minimum span tree. Correct? Okay. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. At least next 3 classes people will speak. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
At least tell. See, you are not teaching properly. Very bad teacher can scold me. Then I am very happy. At least that also can tell. Hey, what are you teaching? Yeah, very badly or taken one. Mr. Like this you can tell. Okay, yeah. Okay, then bye. Then maybe coding thing also I will explain. Some coding thing, something is there, no? That also next class I will explain. Then today I will assign me to and everything I will upload. Tutorials you can practice. Because the paper is uploaded by things I forget in the morning I asked actually for so many classes confusion tired. Tomorrow I will tell you. You have to upload the answers. Correct? Okay, bye all of you. Leave. Time is there.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye, ma, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Dikshit for do coming. Dikshit for this male or female? Dikshit for do.
Sir, male, sir.
Dikshit means male only. But why is he showing in a chat box he putting?
Sir, male with network issues.
Hey, don't tell yaar. Network, see, this is your life. We have to live with internet only. Then how can you tell network issue, network issue? Okay, then you can leave. Stop. Stop.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, all of you.